Hello again and welcome back to my course on PowerPoint. In this section we're going to start to take a look at how you can format text and also bullet editing options. But in this specific module, we're going to stick to formatting text. First of all, I'm currently on slide 1, which is our title slide, and we're going to make some edits to the text on this slide. When I click on the title here, I get what we call a placeholder around the text, and you'll see these placeholders all over the place in PowerPoint. They will be present around pictures, shapes, text, etc. if I want to change the font here or the color or the size. I just need to do is just click on that placeholder. You will see the resize handles around the text to resize it. Please note that resizing the placeholder won't change the size of the text, but only the text area. So, I selected my placeholder. From the Home tab I can select the font from the numerous font selections available here. And next to that, I can change the font size here. I can change the font size for my choice. You can either choose the font size from the given drop-down menu, or you can type the value inside the box and hit enter. Or you can use a size increment or decrement option to increase/decrease the size. And below that, I have bold, italics, underline, text shadow, which will add a shadow behind the selected text, a strike-through, character spacing, which can be used to increase or decrease the spaces between the characters. You can change it further in advanced settings. There is a change case option to choose whether the highlighted word/sentence's first letter is capitalized, to lowercase, to uppercase, to capitalize each word, and then toggle case. Next, we have our text highlighter color, then I have my font colors. For both, I can pick the color of my choice from the color palette. This little arrow in the bottom corner of the font group here, you can choose the styles that specific font has, regular, bold, thin, etc. If you want to, we do have an underline button in that font group on the tab. If we go into the additional options, we have lots of different styles of underline that we could use. If you want a dotted line or dashed or something like that, you can definitely find that in those advanced options. The same thing is also available for strike-through. You can choose double strike-through. And here's superscript and subscript options are here. One other thing is the Format Painter. It allows you to take all of the properties that you've applied to a piece of text and copy them and paint them over the top of another piece of text. So, what you can do is you can highlight the placeholder whose properties you want to copy. And in the Home tab and in that first group, I have a Format Painter. As soon as I click, you'll see that my cursor changes to a little paintbrush icon, and all I need to do is go down and click on the placeholder whose properties you want to change. One thing to note is that you can only do one formatting with it. To apply the same properties to multiple sets of texts, you can double-click on the Format Painter and it will be active for multiple formatting. To deactivate it, all you need to do is click the Format Painter option again, or you can press the Escape key on your keyboard. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you with regards to formatting text. In the next module we're going to start to look at bullets and how we can format those. So, I will see you over there.